Hello folks, welcome to another daily vlog. Right, Tuesday afternoon. Chris is back from holiday today, so we'll be able to look at what's going on his ramp. Let's flip round. This red one here was the one that was on Roy's ramp yesterday. He's finished up the welding on the back there. It's all protected, waiting to go to the paint shop. You can just see under there that the belt line moulding's been removed. Keeping this on, obviously, for keep it watertight for the minute. Yeah, so not really a lot more to show you there than what you saw yesterday, really. He's put that one back together. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the wheels. Well, no, I mentioned it, but they're the euphonic wheels that have been refurbished. Come out really good, actually. Really close to, or almost identical to how they were when they were new. And the arch and everything all done. So yes, that's now done. I think that's being collected on Saturday. This is the other Mark II sale car we've got. Wheels have been blown over. They come out alright. Not ideal, but they'll do. So that needs to be getting cleaned up, and then that'll appear on the website. It's not a bad car, really. Right. Oh, we've got. While I think about it, that green one there, that's had a cat theft, another cat theft. Something real how often it's happening now, but that's on a Mark 1. Don't often get it on a Mark 1, so, well, actually, I don't know of any time it's been reported to me being stolen from a Mark 1, so, yeah, anyway, we'll get that sorted. You all right, Roy?
Afternoon. Right?
Yeah. I need to take my ladder home, don't I?
You do?
Yeah. I'll do that. Sometime in the future. Oh, better turn the radio off, Chris.
Well,
Thanks.
That's where I was going. Before you even said that, that's what I was doing.
Was it?
Yeah.
Thanks, Chris. What are you doing, Roy?
Tidying up.
Oh. Okay. You're waiting for cars to come back from paint, aren't you?
I am indeed. Just tidying up a little mess. Oh, man.
I'll have to give you something else tomorrow, because I don't think anything's coming back till Thursday.
Yeah, well, that's right. I'll get that green one ready for.
Okay, that one's.
So,
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. No, that'll be good. Get that already cleaned up, and then I can get that on the website.
Polish.
Cool, okay. Let's see how Ashley's getting on. How are you getting on?
Well, you recording today?
Yeah, I've actually pressed the record button, which helps. It's looking good?
Yeah, it's all done.
Sweet. Fitting a TR Lane.
No, it's fitted. Just for the rest of
Shall we talk about how these fit? We may as well.
the bolts.
Alright, so you drill down through. No spreader plates on there.
No, only on the back.
They used to, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
Now they're less safe. Yeah, so you bolt down through. We'll show you the other side. Drill down through, bolt through. Not too bad to fit. That's sort of a bit of a pain in the bum with the ABS sensor, but you're going to get around that. Door clear?
Yep.
On the other side?
Yep.
Dun 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 dun.
My literally
Pardon?
front of the glass cave. It's really hot. I'm really ready just so I don't get incredible itchy. I am still very covered in fiberglass.
Didn't we buy you proper jackets for welding and stuff? So you
Yeah,
don't
but
have to wear.
We're not climbing into cars that are full of fiberglass.
Right, so normally you'll have that metal panel that you can see there is normally attached in here via 10mm headed M6 bolts in various locations. That just pulls out, and then that gives you access to the fixing points. So there is a flange that comes along here and around here that we cut off because it doesn't fit without that. So you cut that off, drop it down in, line up the seatbelt tower mounts. That's the most important thing. Line those up first, and then drill your fixing points.
Before you bolt it all down, make sure that's done tight, because I've seen it a few times where people have fitted themselves and then they've threaded that because they've done those first. And
yeah, you don't want to be really applying any extra force in any direction on that. So yeah, that is pretty much the most important thing. And that's it really, isn't it?
yeah.
Piece of cake.
Yeah.
Sweet. I'll get some cake tomorrow if you want. Grant's cracking on with project disassemble again.
Yeah, re-disassemble. Is that a word?
Yeah, I think it is. So bumper off now.
Yep.
Alright. We're gonna we've noticed that the front wings are a little bit corroded on the front. Not majorly. But the problem area is normally at the bottom. And they're just a bit thin, so we are just going to offer the option to change those. Well, they're not too bad, are they?
The other one's
The other one's worse, or is it? Do you have a look at it?
Yeah, this one, it has started to go through.
Oh yeah, just there on that one.
You
Yeah,
can feel it coming.
yeah. Okay, well I'll ring the customer stroke new owner and just see if he wants to replace those rather than just repaint them. All right. Cool. Chris is on the phone at the moment, but this is a Mark III we've got in for an underseal, and you've got a torch, Ash?
Maybe.
Oh, there's one here, don't worry. Yeah, so this one. Blinded by the light. Yeah, it's just coming for an underseal, and we discovered the usual problem on the Mark IIIs. So, going to be a conversation to the customer. I'm not sure if Chris has done that already. I know he was due to talk about dealing with that. It's quite crusty actually, isn't it? This one. Just checking these braces because we pointed them out before, haven't we? But they're actually
That's the first place
they're okay. So yeah, so typical Mark III really. That'll be obviously all this section, this piece on the, sorry, it's not ideal with me holding that, is it? This piece on the end here, that's all gone. See in there, and it'll be up in there as well. So yeah, that'll be a conversation that the owner, customer won't like to be having, but he has asked us to check it from a rust point of view first, and then give him a call and let him know what we found. So we haven't really done much in the way of digging there at all. That was just get it up on the ramp, give it a poke with a poking device, and it just went straight through. So yeah, not great, but pretty much par for the course for Mark IIIs most of the time. Alright guys, bit of a short one today, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Take care, bye bye.